These South Korean women hold a quiet daily vigil in front of the country's constitutional court in central Seoul. The court is set to rule this week on whether to uphold or overturn South Korea's criminalization of abortion. The women vehemently support keeping the ban in place.
We have been protesting here since June last year, so it's been more than 10 months now. We are not an organized group, but individually we come out here, hold petition campaigns, and work to spread the word via social media. Still, we have no way of knowing what the court decision will be.
Religious groups and conservatives support South Korea's current legal structure, in which a woman who terminates a pregnancy on her own with drugs or other measures can be sentenced to up to 1 year in prison or fined up to 2 million won, about $1,700. Doctors who facilitate an abortion could face up to 2 years in prison. Supporters of overturning the law and decriminalizing abortion are vocal, holding what have come to be known as red and black protests.
Red and black are symbolic colors. Koreans have worn black since 2010 to demand abortion rights in solidarity with similar protest groups in Poland and other countries. We also display red color to send a warning to the court that criminalization of abortion is against the Constitution, and we're calling on members of the court to rule to that effect.
The abortion debate is every bit as sensitive in South Korea as it is elsewhere, with all of the same moral and ethical dimensions other countries confront. But here, there is the added complication of a demographic crisis. The government is struggling to counter a plummeting birth rate stemming from a changing economy and from educated young women making new choices about their bodies, their careers, and their future. Supporters of overturning the abortion ban say the current law reflects a long-standing tone deafness by the government toward women and their right to self-determination. "Women are not wombs" is a common slogan at their events. It will take 6 of the 9 judges on South Korea's constitutional court to decide whether it's time for a change and whether criminalization of abortion should be relegated to the history books. Kurt Achin for VOA News, Seoul.